Hey, what's up people, welcome back to another video. Hope you are doing good. This is Gufran and you're watching the MBA grad in Germany. So in today's video I will be talking about what are the things you should consider while selecting or applying to a university in Germany. These are the few points that every candidate should be looking into when applying to a university in Germany, and you should definitely keep this point in your mind when you are applying to a particular university. So without further delay, let's start with today's video. So the first important point is always select a better course over a university. Don't go with ranking. In Germany, all universities are on the same level. So just don't go with ranking. I'm telling you this, always select a better course over a better university, because in Germany you will think like I'll go into TUs and I'll be in a better university, in a top ranked university, but it's not so. Always prefer a best course, that a course of your liking, because see, in further when you after graduating you'll be working out in some industry, so there you should feel happy that you choose a good course considering your future opportunities. So second thing is that most of the candidates, they are confused between technical university and University of Applied Sciences. So I would say in short in this video that technical universities are mostly inclined towards the research stuff and research thing, but in considering your University of Applied Sciences, they are mostly inclined towards the practical stuff, the practical things going into industry. Yeah. So another thing which is pretty important considering your selection of universities is the place of your university, like your university is situated in which city. So it is quite important. I would say it is very important considering your part-time opportunities, your work student opportunities, your full-time opportunities. See, if you are living in Munich or Berlin, then your opportunities are wider in that particular area, because many industries and like many companies have their offices in that particular area. And for example, if your university is in a particular location where there are no industries, where there are no big companies, or where there are no startups emerging, then you may imagine that there will be no opportunities there. And what will happen, like after some 2-3 semesters, you have to travel to a different city for searching any part-time or searching any work student opportunity. So definitely you should keep this point in mind while applying to a particular university or selecting a particular university. Another thing that is important is you should select universities based on like whether that is a free university, whether it is not charging any of fees, or whether it is charging some fees. And my personal point is, I would say don't like look at to a university if it is charging some fees. See, I know you should select a course on any university, on any fee structure, because some students will think that yeah, this university is charging us free course and we should take that course and enroll us into that course. But then what will happen, the course would not be that good, or it can happen the course would not be of that their choice that they are inclined to. So you should look at like if it is a paid university also, and if you are thinking that the course is good and the opportunities after the course will be better, so you should go there. It's not like if it is a free university and it is offering you like no tuition fees, you should go there. Always select a course and the future opportunities after that course accordingly. Furthermore, I would like to tell you that this is one thing that is emerging these days in Germany, that few University of Applied Sciences, they are giving a mandatory internship into their program. So like in one semester you have to work for a particular company, and so it's good, like for some University of Applied Sciences you have this opportunity and you can take advantage of this opportunity. Select that particular university because you will get more practical exposure as if you are applying to University of Applied Sciences, and apart from that you will also get a mandatory internship into a particular company, as it is a course module, so you have to do a mandatory internships of one semester. Okay. So that is also a good point. You should also keep this point in mind when you are applying to a university. Further point is you should also search for scholarship into that particular university that you are applying. You should look at what scholarships they are offering or what financial assistance they are offering. So you should look at that. Example, research assistant, like technical assistant in a particular university. You should look at these things also. And I would like to say that in some private universities or in some like public universities also, there is a system where they offer their own scholarship apart from the DART scholarship. So you should contact the university and check out these things also, as they are also very important considering studying in Germany. The last thing of this video is your ranking. So university ranking, I will place this point at last. So definitely you should look at university rankings if you're a person who is more like have liking towards a particular university ranking, like top rankings, and you're more involved into QS ranking and Times Higher Education ranking, and you're a particular follower of these mediums, then definitely you should look at university rankings. And yeah, for like some universities which are definitely in the top rank, like World 40, World 50, and German rank 1, rank 2, rank 3, they have their own importance, so you should look at that also. But if you are not a particular follower of university ranking, then there are the 7 or the 5 to 4 points that I've mentioned earlier that are quite important than that. So yeah, definitely you should look at that. So these are the things that I considered when I was applying to a university in Germany, and hope so you should also consider. See, I'm not like saying you should definitely consider. Your thinking can be different from my thinking, but these are some of the like important things that every candidate should look out for. And so if you like this video, do comment below in the comment section, subscribe to my channel, and if you have any doubts, comment below. I'll get your doubts resolved. Like in every video I say this thing, so just comment below and we can let's see out how I can clear your doubts, like with my particular information that I have with me. So till then, have a nice day, take care, bye bye.